Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to this English video lesson brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. Acronyms are everywhere. While some acronyms are common knowledge, others can be more obscure. Acronyms are shorthand for long words or phrases. They are used in written communication, email, text messages, social media, and everyday conversation. But some might not be familiar. It might be surprising that some of the most common acronyms are old. For example, the term AM is derived from Latin, and it stands for ante meridiem, which means before midday. Similarly, PM stands for post meridiem, which means after midday. In this video, we'll explore common acronyms you might not know. We'll also provide some background on their origins and use. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first acronym or acronyms are CC and BCC. You will have seen this when sending and receiving emails. But what does this mean? In the current age of technology, it's easy to forget that there was once a time when copying a document meant using a physical object called carbon paper. Ink-infused carbon paper was placed between two sheets of blank paper. Whatever was written on the top sheet left an exact copy on the sheet, on the bottom. CC refers to a carbon copy, and BCC to a blind carbon copy. Today, it simply means sending an email to more than one person. But there is a slight difference between the two. When CC is used, all the recipients will be able to see who received the email. When BCC is used, the other email recipients won't be able to see that someone else has been sent a copy of the email. Here's how to use these acronyms in a few sentences. Tim asked his colleague to CC him on all future emails. So all our group gets a copy of the email. I will BCC them in. Mary was surprised that she was CC'd on the email, as she is not in the accountancy department. Our next acronyms are ATM and PIN. We have all used an ATM or automatic teller machine. They are everywhere. To get cash from an ATM, you must enter a 4 to 6-digit passcode called a PIN, which stands for Personal Identification Number. Here's a few sentence examples using ATM and PIN. John did not have enough cash, so he stopped at the ATM to get some more. There was a long line at the ATM, so Alice went to the next one. My debit card PIN is... Only joking, you should never give out your PIN. Our next acronym, RSVP. It is common to see this acronym in written letters. But what do they mean? RSVP is an acronym for a French phrase meaning please reply. It is often written at the end of an invitation. Let's use RSVP in a few sentences. On all of Anne's birthday invite cards, she had written RSVP at the bottom. Have we sent our RSVP for Chris's wedding reception? When we get the RSVP back, we will know how many people will attend the party. Our next acronym is PS. PS is a common way to add an extra thought to an email or letter. It stands for postscript, which means after and script, referring to the act of writing. Here's how to use PS when including it in a sentence. After finishing my letter, I remembered there was something else I wanted to add, so I added a PS to the bottom. Paul's girlfriend left him a note, and at the end it said, P.S. I love you. I got an email from Keith today. The P.S. asked for me to send him your number. Will that be okay? Do you have any questions about the phrases and acronyms used in this video? Leave a comment and let's chat. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more free English video lessons. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. See you again.